quick install of the PSMP from start to finish. So we're going to, most of the stuff is off in our environment, so we're going to add a second PSMP and we're going to get that installed. This one's, everything's off at the moment, so we're going to dive straight in. So we're going to start with actually installing the OS. I've already mounted the image, built the mesh setup, so we're going to quickly do this. We're going to jump around a bit while this installs. Make sure you've got all the files that we need. Okay, and to come back here, and go to the repository. We're going to go and get that script. I'm going to download it, that file. Okay, it's downloading. Get this going. Still getting ready. Okay, let's go to the folder. Let's cut that. Paste that in install files. Paste it here. So we're going to copy that across. Once you're done, let's set up our PuTTY in the meantime. So we can set up PuTTY. And give it an IP address of 10.48. We'll save it as PSMP-02. Save. Oh, look. Okay. Need to save it, not enter. Check that's still going. .10.48 PSMP-02. Save that. And that's PuTTY now. On a CP. Gonna get that ready. It's almost ready. Go back. Get a new site. 2.10.48. It's going to be root tabs. Password. That PSMP-02. Okay, let's go back to PSMP. Okay, that's ready. And now I'm going to talk about the script now. Once we get this started. Okay, so we've got the install files, Red Hat Linux, Intel x86, this is the one we're going to use. Okay, we're going to copy, we're going to rename that, rename PSMP. And we've got our logon script that we're going to create, we're going to run as well. Let's go to English. We're in my country, South Africa, so we can do that. Continue. Installation disk done. Minimal install. We're going to choose the standard tools that we need. If you don't do that, you're going to have problems installing. Then we're going to go to root. I'm going to give it a password. We're going to allow root login for now. Then network, going to configure. It's already got an IP address, so we're going to configure that, so we don't have to do it later. Manual, click add 2.168.10.48. Subnet mask 24. You can put 24. 192.168.10.1. Copy that. DNS that. .lan. And copy that. Save that. And go PSMP-02. CyberArk.lan. Okay. Configure. IP address didn't like it. So go 255.25. And unlock 255. My computer is and 2.168.10.1. Click save. IP address. Why is it not coming up? Okay, there we go. It's up. Click done. We've got our time language, everything else is sorted. Click begin installation. We're going to start that. We're then going to jump to here. We're going to have a look at our login script. Script that we've got here. Okay, so what our script is going to do is look for the host name. It's going to look for going to shorten the host name. It's going to create a user based on the short host name, -recon. And it's going to set the recon user password. Create the user. Then we're going to set so it's going to create the user. Then it's going to create a password for Logon. We're going to create a user called Logon as well. Then we're going to set the passwords for the users. Then we're going to add, so that it's created their accounts. Then we're going to add the user, the Recon user, to the Wheeler group. Okay. So we're going to not save the changes. So we're going to go back and edit the file again. So that's our file. Edit. Save that. So we got rid of the space. I'm going to run this we're going to do a chmod on this file so that we can run this script. Okay. See how far we've done. I'll pause this while we wait for this to finish. Okay, it's done. We can reboot now. That's reboot. I'm going to stop it and unmount the CD-ROM as well and remove it. Just to finish quickly. Okay, come on. Customization change here. Go back to the PBWA, log in. It's almost finished loading. Okay. Okay. Root password at. There we go. Okay. Update on this war. Get that to run. While that's going, let's copy our files that we need. We'll copy that. Right, we're going to copy that. Paste there. Okay, that's updating there. Okay. Duplicate session. Root password. There we go. OS chmod. .5 create /. Let's do this. Let's do it full screen. Okay, so it's creating our user, so we can type in the password. Type in the password again. Okay, we're going to add password based on dictionary, that's fine. It's all done. It's created our users, so we can cat stroke etc shadow. There's a password is created. We're going to redo the one for logon, so password D. Let's do that one again. Enter. And we do the cat the shadow, there we go, password's created. So let's go back to that one. It's now installing, so we've got that. We can start stroke etc, not etc. PSMP, ls minus lsh, chmod 755, create file. We can vim the PSM create sample. So we're going to go to our folder location, okay, which is /root/PSMP. I'm going to go down and change that to yes for the back, this. Okay, so we've got all of that. So now we can CP PSM params, PSM params, go, MV PSM params to stroke bar TMP. Then it's done. See how far our upgrade is going. Then we can reboot. And then we can do the install. So I'm going to create the user. I'll do that just now. And close that. If you want, go back to the password vault. You can actually edit the servers in the meantime. Add account, next. We've got to have a CyberArk safe here. CyberArk Linux 112.192.10.48 tabs root tabs. Let's put that to yes. Add account. Add account again. Next. CyberArk Linux 2.68.10.48. Got our users here. So we go there. This is our Recon user, so we say yes, edit, do that, add our user, next, Logon user, password that. Oh, 10.48. Add that. Okay. Come on. 192. Let's go 48 quicker. So we go to the Recon root user. We go to activity, details, Reconcile account, link 48. Add the Recon account, click OK. Logon account, link 48. And search, log on, click OK. Recon account, connect, and go details, Reconcile account, edit, go 48. Search, set the root account, log on account, the details, reconcile, click link, 48, click OK, Recon accounts, there we go, you can click on that, we can't click connect because our PSM is down, so let's spin that up while we're here. We can reboot our PSM. server by now. Reboot. Close that, close that, close that, close that. Now, let's let that boot up quickly. Check that boot. Check this is all started up correctly. Log in. Log in. Get some servers up. Let's connect. And say no because it's not on. Yes. User executes root. It's logging on. Awesomeness. It's great news. Cancel that. Go here. To PSM. Enter. ls minus -sh. Do the rpm minus -ivh. It's going to tell us that we haven't created our user cred file, so we can go there. /create-cred, user.cred, administrator, tabs, enter, password, all the way through. Entropy file we need to do. ls minus -sh, enter, there we go. And vaults.owner, need to change that. ls minus ls h / r tmp. Okay, it's all right. See if it runs. We should have a failure. Because we're missing a service. I'm looking if that's going to happen now. Okay, error starting. We need to sort this out. So if we do a date db enter, allocate vault.owner, then okay, that's correct. Okay, we need to installation logs. Okay, so if we go to that, we get to that. Chkconfig. Okay, so chkconfig, we need to YAML install that. So we need to sort out how to do that quickly. Chkconfig, hold on, we're going to show you what we're doing. We're going to do a config, and then unpacking. Let's go to that. Okay, so this is the problem. So you can't do a yum install chkconfig. Go back to here, paste that in. Okay, yes, enter. You get an unfailed error. Okay, so to fix that, go back here, go back, let's go here. We're going to run that command in here. Chkconfig, that worked. Let's go up arrow and go yes again. Installed successfully. So then we now need to do that. Okay, so the statuses are started, and so we're going to do an RPM -E. Let's go to our packages. Okay, done. Okay, now let's install it again. So if you install, if you ran if you got chkconfig to install first, you wouldn't have that error. So if you remove that file, and then run it before you installed, you won't get the error. Okay, let's go back to the BBWA, see what it looks like. Vault environment. Still installing it. Updated and installed, all done nicely. Let's go back, refresh. There's it's installed. So So now we've got our PSMP installed. Let's go check our user. We're gonna exit out of there. 38. We can now go reconcile. That should be able to reconcile our password. You can go change and change. Let's see how that's going to go. Should all happen quite quickly, or we're going to get some errors. See, 8:41 is still that time. 8:42, 8:43. Let's see additional details. Scheduled. CPM isn't on, so we need to actually power that on, would help. So once that's booted up, it'll change the passwords. Okay, it's up and running now. All good, so let's go check our 48. Search for it. There we go. Refresh. 48. CPM password failed changed. That one changed. That one's changed. That one didn't reconcile. Let's reconcile. Let's see what happened. Have we got all the settings correct? Sudo is yes. That's all good. That's all good. That's 48. Password reconciled. Okay. And we can go to version. You can see show. Okay, that's our password. Show for. There's our password. Don't know why we can't see them. Go, show. There's our password, the old password. Fresh. So that's all managed correctly by CyberArk. And our PSM is installed correctly. And should run without any issues. Okay. That is it.